I'm not sure if they're gonna allow me to video here, but my God, look at this place. Can't believe it. It's like an ocean of old cars. Looks to be a Corvette right there. Yep. So in case the owner didn't let me video, I got it now. Wow. Oh. Oh, okay. May sakyan sa pulisya dyan. I just said there's a police car over here. We just... Wow, there we go. Oh, may sakyan sa pulisya. Oh my God. I wish I had a shop like this. Naku, kuya, payat ka. Yeah, look at this. I can't even get my balls right through here. Okay. Oh yeah. It's got a V8 3. No. V6. No. V8 talaga. Fuel injected V8, probably a 305. Maraming kalawang. Kalawang.
Ganda rin.
Okay. So yung
sabi niya,
gusto ko sigurado.
Pag-usapan niyo pa rin.
Okay. Sigurado pwede kami mag-deal. So sabi niya marami. Okay, here's the car. She's big but beautiful. I think I could do something with this one. It's complete. Kompleto sa loob. Ano, malapit sa restoration kayo?
Restore din.
Oh.
Kaya ba, nabenta na.
Oh, okay. Okay guys, I have to use no gimbal right now because I have it somewhere else. But anyway, you all saw that, right? It's like an ocean of old cars. They're big ones though. But as you know as well as I do, you can do a lot with a station wagon. You can make it sporty. Wheels, lowering, and custom paint job. So there's a couple in there that I'm interested in, and I think we're gonna deal. So I'm very happy about that. A lot of missing parts, but I think they're good for projects, right? Okay, so now that you saw that, I hope you all like it. If you like the video that you saw, please like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you can get notified of any future videos for all these future cars and future projects we're going to be messing around with over here. This is why I enjoy doing this stuff, you know? And this is why I get up in the morning and even before YouTube, I didn't care. This is all I did. So it's a lot of fun, you know what I mean? And there's a bump, boom. And I wanted to take you guys with me so you can enjoy what I like to do. And this is what I like to do. So thanks so much for watching, and hope to see you guys in the future with future videos. And if you like that car, you think I should get it, I'll get it, and then we can put it together, and I can show you guys how it's done step by step. That white one, the first one that I saw that's really big, it's complete. It's almost ready to go. So the price is good, and you know, I think we can do something with it. All right, so BBG out.